Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wise Multi-Currency Account Review My Usage Experience. Wise Multi-Currency Account Review My Usage Experience offers a multi-currency account that allows users to hold and manage money in various currencies, making international transactions easier and potentially cheaper. Its main purpose is to help individuals and businesses send and receive money internationally without incurring high bank fees. Key features include multi-currency balance management, international money transfers, and debit card options in some regions. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Wise boasts transparency with its pricing, highlighting no hidden fees and competitive exchange rates. It positions itself as a cost-effective alternative to traditional banks for international transactions. The system leverages its own network and technology to provide faster and cheaper transfers compared to traditional banking systems. Availability is global. You can check their website for specific regional limitations. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wise Multi-Currency Account Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the account was incredibly straightforward. The whole process, from creating an account to verifying my identity, took less than 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned how to add funds in different currencies, convert between them, and initiate international transfers. For example, I recently sent money to a friend in Canada, and the transfer was completed within a day, significantly faster than my previous experience with my bank. The exchange rates were consistently competitive, saving me a considerable amount compared to other services. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, clearly displaying all my balances and transaction history. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to hold multiple currencies without incurring hefty fees. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing certain features. I had to use the website for some functions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wise. It streamlined the process of managing my international finances, and the cost savings are substantial. That's my overview of Wise Multi-Currency Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.